In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Stripe. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, mastering the art of invoicing can smooth the road to efficient financial management. Let's dive in. First, we start by accessing your Stripe dashboard. Once there, you'll see a host of options. But what we're interested in today are the invoices, so go ahead and click on Invoices. This is where all the magic of billing your clients really happens. The invoice section provides an overview of your past invoices and allows you to create new ones with ease. Next, you'll want to click on Create Test Invoice. Now, this function is incredibly useful if you want to get comfortable with the invoicing process in Stripe without anything real at stake. Creating a test invoice helps you ensure everything looks just right before you send it to your clients for real transactions. Now, it's time to enter the necessary client information. Start with the customer's name or email. Stripe makes it convenient by auto-suggesting customers from your already existing list if you have any, which streamlines the process. After that, you'll need to choose the currency you want the invoice to reflect. This step is crucial, especially if you're dealing with international clients, as it maintains transparency and accuracy in your financial dealings. Switching gears towards payment collection, you have two solid options at your disposal. You can either request payment manually, which can be beneficial if you want to have more control over when and how payments are processed, or you can choose to auto-charge the customer's saved payment method. Auto-charging can save time and ensure prompt payment, so think about what suits your business model better. Feel free to explore other settings and options that Stripe provides with the invoice creation process. Maybe you want to provide a detailed description of the product or service you're billing for, or perhaps you want here to add custom footers for personalization. The choice is yours. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, it's time for the final step. Clicking Send Invoice. By taking a bit of time to walk through this process, creating invoices becomes second nature. Stripe not only makes it powerful, but also keeps it user-friendly, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on the mundane aspects of billing. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with different aspects of the tool at your leisure, ensuring you get the most out of what it offers. And there you have it. You've just created an invoice in Stripe. Thanks for watching, and to be sure to check out other guides to help streamline your business operations. If you found this helpful, feel free to share with others who might benefit as well. Until next time, take care.